Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on start and end reminder, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, come here to start fasten reminder, just clicking this sign. So then like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean here start fasten reminder enable with us now. So that's all you have to do here. I wish you all your I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.